Hi, I'm Lance Haver, Director of Civic Engagement for City Council here in Philadelphia. I'm with you to ask you a question and then ask for your help. My question is, why do you pay twice for health insurance? Now, you may not realize you're paying twice, but if you buy car insurance under the current law, you're required to buy at least $5,000 worth of health insurance. Now, in the bad old days before President Obama passed the Affordable Care Act, it might have made sense. In those bad old days, not every health insurance policy covered emergency care. Many had annual and lifetime limits, and there was no guarantee that if you were in an accident, you'd be covered for the ambulance ride from the accident to the hospital. Once the Affordable Care Act was passed, all of those became law and mandated. If you look at what it says under the Affordable Care Act, you can see that outpatient care, trips to the emergency room, all must be covered. Every health insurance policy sold in the United States, and therefore sold in Pennsylvania, must cover emergency care. In addition, health insurance is no longer allowed to have a lifetime or annual limit. So unlike in the bad old days when you could buy health insurance and it might not cover everything, now health insurance must, by law, cover everything. So why then are you having to pay an additional $100 to $150 a year to buy health insurance when you buy car insurance? And I know many people don't realize it, but it's right here under the Pennsylvania requirements for car insurance. It's called medical benefits, and it requires every driver who buys car insurance to pay for an additional $5,000 worth of health insurance. Now, you already have health insurance. It already covers emergency care. So why should you have to pay twice for the same coverage? City Council doesn't believe you should have to pay twice for health insurance. Once is certainly enough. And the $100, $150, well, that should be in your pocket, not in the pocket of the insurance company. That's why City Council is going to be petitioning the acting insurance commissioner in Harrisburg to find, as a matter of fact and a matter of law, that if you have health insurance under the Affordable Care Act, you've met the state-mandated $5,000 worth of health insurance that your car insurance wants you to pay twice for. We're asking you to join with us, put your name on the petition. Let's make it an effort that we can all work on together to lower everyone's car insurance in Pennsylvania. Please click on the webpage below me, sign the petition, and help us get started. Thank you very much.